Cooking is an art, and the tools you use can make all the difference. This Farberware Classic Stainless Steel Cookware Pots and Pans Set, 15-piece, a cookware set designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced home chefs. For over a century, Farberware has been synonymous with quality, durability, and timeless design. This 15-piece set lives up to that legacy, combining practicality with iconic style to help you create meals that are as delightful to prepare as they are to eat. If you're on the lookout for a cookware set that offers excellent heat distribution, long-lasting performance, and compatibility with various cooking styles, the Farberware Classic series could be your perfect match. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore every facet of this set, from its standout features to its real-world performance, without helping you decide if it's the right addition to your kitchen. Key features and specifications. 1. Full cap bases with stainless steel and aluminum cores. Each pot and pan in the set is crafted with a full cap base featuring a stainless steel layer over a thick aluminum core. This design ensures rapid, even heating, making it ideal for everything from quick sautés to slow simmering. 2. Iconic design and comfortable handles. The cookware features ergonomic handles with a classic aesthetic, providing a confident grip while maintaining timeless style. The stainless steel lids are bell-shaped with rolled rims and elegant knobs, adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. 3. Oven and dishwasher safe. This set is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for seamless stovetop to oven cooking. Additionally, all components, except the nonstick frying pans, are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. 4. Comprehensive set includes 1-quart, 2-quart, and 3-quart saucepans with lids, 4-quart saucepot with lid, 8-quart stockpot with lid, 8-inch and 10-inch nonstick frying pans, 3 nylon kitchen utensils. 5. Induction compatibility. The full cap base ensures excellent heat conduction and makes the set compatible with induction stovetops, excluding the nonstick frying pans. Pros of the Farberware Classic Cookware Set. 1. Exceptional durability. The stainless steel construction ensures long-term performance, resisting dents, scratches, and wear over time. 2. Versatility for various cooking methods. From boiling pasta to sautéing vegetables or slow-cooking stews, the variety of pots and pans in this set caters to a wide range of recipes. 3. Quick and even heating. Thanks to the aluminum cores, the cookware heats evenly and quickly, helping you achieve perfect results with less energy consumption. 4. Stylish and timeless appearance. The mirror-polished exteriors and bell-shaped lids give the set a sophisticated look that complements any kitchen decor. 5. Ease of maintenance. With dishwasher-safe components and sturdy materials, maintaining this cookware is as effortless as the cooking itself. Why choose Farberware? Legacy of quality. Farberware has been a trusted brand for over 100 years. Health-conscious design. Stainless steel interiors ensure no harmful chemicals leach into your food. Comprehensive set. Includes everything you need to cook a variety of meals, eliminating the need for separate purchases. User experience and performance. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or boiling pasta for a hearty meal, the Farberware Classic Cookware delivers consistent performance. The handles remain cool during stovetop use, and the snug-fitting lids help lock in flavors. Users particularly appreciate the even heat distribution and the ease of transitioning from stovetop to oven. Conclusion: elevate your cooking with Farberware Classic. The Farberware Classic Stainless Steel Cookware Pots and Pans Set, 15-piece, is more than just a collection of kitchen tools. It's an investment in your cooking journey. With its blend of timeless design, exceptional performance, and user-friendly features, this set stands out as a reliable companion for both everyday cooking and special occasions. If you're looking for cookware that combines durability, versatility, and style, Farberware delivers on all fronts. This set is perfect for those who value quality, ease of use, and a touch of elegance in their kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.